From the street, Wurrungwuri feels like a secret. It was a home that didn't demand attention, but rather earned it with a quiet confidence. Its heritage facade, with its time-weathered bricks and graceful windows, offered a silent promise of history, of a life lived within its walls. But for all its outward dignity, a new energy now hummed beneath the surface. For its owners, this was more than a renovation. It was an act of collaboration, a conversation between past and present, a seamless fusion of their ambition and the architect's vision. It all began with a simple desire to honor the home's original form while ushering in a new era of modern living. The owners had a clear vision for the space, one that would connect them not only to the beautiful harbor just beyond their doorstep, but also to the soul of their home. Carter Williamson, with their dual expertise in architecture and interior design, was the perfect partner for this ambitious project. They understood that the key to a successful collaboration was not to erase the past, but to build upon it, creating a new structure that celebrated the old while finding its own voice. Stepping through the front door, the home's immediate embrace was undeniable. The original entryway, with its warm, welcoming glow, served as a gentle introduction to a narrative of two halves. To one side, the original living spaces and bedrooms held stories of a bygone era. To the other, a new and exciting journey was just the beginning. It was here, in this liminal space, that the first of many beautiful surprises revealed itself. A double-height void, a stunning gallery-like feature, soared overhead. It wasn't just a design choice, it was a deliberate act of connection. It draws the eye upward and forward, creating a dramatic sense of scale and light. From this vantage point, one could look down into the dining room below, a visual link that bridged the two worlds of the home. This feeling of intentional connection was repeated further down the hall, where another void opened up, offering a framed view of the harbor and a glimpse into one of the lower living spaces. Descending to the middle level, the home begins to reveal its social heart. Here, the main entertaining rooms unfold, each designed with both function and flow in mind. The dining room, directly beneath the grand void, felt both intimate and expansive. Suspended above the table, a Tom Dixon chandelier glittered like a sculpture. Its warm light adds a touch of modern luxury to the space. It was a room meant for long conversations and shared meals, a place where memories would be made. Below the dining room was the cabana room, a great lounge area designed for both quiet relaxation and lively gatherings. It was the kind of room that could easily transform from a cozy reading nook to a bustling party space. Adjacent to it, separated by a sliding door for privacy, was an elongated TV room. This clever design ensures that a quiet movie night won't interrupt a lively get-together, a testament to the home's thoughtful and adaptable layout. Both the cabana room and the TV room opened onto a series of interconnected terraces. The terraces were more than just outdoor spaces, they were thresholds between inside and out, offering a seamless transition for a sun-drenched afternoon or a cool evening breeze. This fluidity was a key part of the home's design, blurring the lines between the built environment and the natural landscape. From these terraces, a series of steps cascade down toward the rear yard. This was where the full magic of the home's waterfront location truly came into view. The yard, framed by a handsome sandstone seawall, feels like a private sanctuary. A jetty extends into the water, a silent invitation for a boat trip or a quiet moment of reflection. Up above, a generous roof terrace offered a completely different perspective, a garden oasis with uninterrupted views of the harbor. Carter Williamson's design philosophy was evident in every detail. Instead of open, sprawling floor plans that would dilute the stunning views, they chose a more deliberate approach. Walls and sliding doors were strategically placed to frame and amplify specific vistas, turning each window into a living painting. The material palette, a mix of glass, blonde bricks, and concrete, references the home's original sandstone while bringing a fresh, modern sensibility. These materials were carried through the interior design, adding texture and tactility that grounded the home's grandeur in a warm, domestic scale. Wurrungwuri stands as a powerful testament to the power of collaboration. It is a home that tells a story of ambition, design, and craftsmanship. The effortless merging of the old and the new, the way the modern addition complements the heritage facade, and the seamless connection to the natural surroundings, all of this speaks to a shared vision and a commitment to excellence. Wurrungwuri isn't just a house, it's a living, breathing work of art, a beautiful marriage of what was and what will be.